So we've created another user on the server and we've verified that the new user can log in. We need to verify now that the local backup user cannot log in when the server is reachable. So when router 1 pings to the switch as an example, we can't log in using the backup user, but we can log in using AAA user accounts. So that works. But then we need to verify what happens when we disable the port on the switch. So at the moment we have IP connectivity from the devices to the AAA server, so router 2 can ping the AAA server, which means that when router 1 telnets to router 2, we have to log in using a username on the AAA server. We can't log in with a local user account. So the backup user doesn't work here. So try that again. I can log in as David, but notice I cannot log in as the backup user, but I can log in as Peter Pan. So what happens if we disable the connection on the switch? So interface gigabit 102, I'll shut that port down. So this port is now disabled. How does that affect connections to the router? So I'll log in as David, password is Cisco. Notice it's taking a long time. We have to wait for this to time out. But at the moment I can't log in as David. Notice invalid login. I'll try and log in as the backup user. You again may need to wait quite a while for the AAA connections to fail and then revert back to using a local username and password. But notice after a long time, I was able to log in as the backup user. When I type enable, there's a long delay because the router is trying to connect to the AAA server. Remember, we enabled AAA for both login and enable. Use my backup user account, password of Cisco. May take a while, but again, I should be able to log in using my local username and password. I'm going to speed up the video, but this is taking a long time. But notice eventually I can log into router 2. But if we go back to the switch and re-enable that port, we need to wait for spanning tree to converge, but once that's done, the backup local user account will no longer work, but the AAA accounts should start working. So I should be able to log back in as David or Peter Pan. So there you go. So login as David, password is Cisco. I can log straight into the router. Login as Peter. I can log in. So that proves that the backup account is only used when AAA is not available. We can do that test again. Notice if I log in as backup, it fails. I've got to log in as a AAA user to succeed when the connection is up. But when the connection is down between the devices and the AAA server, the local user account is used. So we've now completed the verification. Let's run a simulation.